Charak chang chang, charak chang chang, charak chang chang. Chang charak chang chang, charak chang chang, charak chang chang. This is my tree house. It's where I learn and play. I can touch the sky so high and even fly away. Chang charak chang chang.
बड़ों की कल्पना जहाँ थम जाती है, बच्चों की कल्पना वहीं से उड़ान भरती है। इसीलिए हमारे आसान और मजेदार लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स बच्चों को देते हैं जरूरी नॉलेज और भरपूर कॉन्फिडेंस। द ट्री हाउस, नन्हे कदम बड़ी उड़ान।
Wow, it's really encouraging to see the numbers here today. A very, very good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you present here. All the grandparents, parents, uncles, aunties, a very, very warm welcome. I, on behalf of Treehouse and my entire team here, welcome you. So, we are all ready for annual day. Yes, it's going to be 2013-14 extravaganza here at ISKCON Auditorium. We at Treehouse always take up this opportunity for our children to bond and develop their social skills with cooperation, thus building their confidence. Truly, parents, trust me, it takes a huge amount of effort, courage, practice to be here up on this stage at this age to face lights, camera, and action. We are really proud to exhibit their talent. Our show this time is a little challenging. It was, rather, I should say, a little challenging. But our brave hearts, they faced all the challenges, took upon the efforts with practice and consistency to put this show together. Our theme for today is Sanskars. Sanskars are the values that we instill in our children, not only in school, but also at home, so that they become proud citizens of our country. And yes, surely, the show is different. What's the difference? It's by the people. No, it's by the children, of the children, for the parents. So put your hands together for all the little ones who really braved all the efforts to come here. So very soon you'll see the podium slide back into the wings of the auditorium, and we have the young host hosting the show all throughout, back to back with mono pauses. But before I move on, I'm really pleased to announce that we have our Treehouse High School principal, Treehouse High School Malad, who's here to grace our occasion. Can I invite Mrs. Minnie Nair to be on stage? Yes, a huge round of applause, parents. And we have small toddlers who will welcome ma'am with a small bouquet of flowers. Come on, children. Let's welcome parents. Put your hands together. The little ones welcoming ma'am. Can we have a nice photograph? Parents, and this applause has to go on till the end of the show. Come on, keep exercising your palms for the next 1 hour, 10 minutes. Because that's the only form of positive reinforcement that we put across to the child. Each and every block that the child holds, we clap for him. Welcome, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. A warm welcome to all present here. Dear parents, one of the hardest moments in the early years of parenting is to drop your child at the portals of a school and then walk away. Trusting others to take care of the cognitive, emotional, and social well-being of your child is a huge leap of faith, and we are truly happy and privileged that you have chosen to take that leap of faith with the Treehouse group of schools. We at the Treehouse strongly believe that from a tiny acorn grows a mighty oak. The children of today will be the future global citizens of tomorrow, and we wear this mantle of responsibility to effectively prepare them to take on this task. It has always been our endeavor to create a home away from home, a safe, secure, and nurturing environment for our little ones to learn and grow. Benjamin Franklin rightly said, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn." So once again, dear parents, we welcome you all to the enthralling and spectacular performance put up by our little angels of Tree House. Before I wind up, let me tell you, dear parents, that the admissions to Tree House High School at Goregaon and Malad for the ICSE and IGCSE board is open. Do book your seats at the earliest to avoid any future disappointments. Thank you so much. Enjoy the show.
Thank you, ma'am. So we're ready. Lots of expectations, excitement. So put your hands together as we don't start our day without a prayer. So we have our little toddlers starting the event with a small prayer. We have the prayer chill coming in. Huge round of applause. They don't function without that. Thank you.
Hello everyone.
And welcome to our concert 2030-40. Sanskar! धरोहर हमारे घर की और हमारे स्कूल की. Sanskar never understood. What is this? All elders keep on using this word. Sanskar must be important things. Ha ha ha. You mean don't know? Not much. I thought since you said this word, you must meaning is meaning. Let us ask our teacher then. Teacher, where are you?
So welcome little teacher on stage.
sanskars. Ma'am, can we get the sanskar from somewhere? No, this much I show. You will not get it anywhere. Are you sure? Yes, promise. I know that. My mother told me one day.
Let me explain
you properly about sanskars. When our elders teach us good manners and we behave, we say that they have passed on good sanskars. Like Gandhiji, who has taught us to work hard, be honest, and fearless for our country. We also
Super. That means
keep us on good sanskar to us.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
बापूजी,
पतित पावन सीताराम।
प्रभु अब धीरज मत देना, सहते जाए सहते जाए सहते जाए, ऐसा बल भी मत देना, उठ कर करने हैं कुछ काम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, उठ कर करने हैं कुछ काम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, उठ कर करने हैं कुछ काम।
तुम करुणा के सागर, तुम पालन करता, पर जो जुल्म है करता वो कहाँ तुमसे डरता। तुम पूरन परमात्मा, तुम अंतर्यामी, पर फिर कैसे होती रहती हर पल ये मनमानी। घायल है भोला इंसान, रघुपति राघव राजा राम,
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, घायल है भोला इंसान, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, घायल है भोला इंसान, घायल है भोला इंसान, घायल है भोला इंसान।
टूट रहा है अब विश्वास, 5 वर्ष धुंधला आकाश, कौन द्वार हम खटकाएं, कौन से वादे दोहराएं, आदमी कितना रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
हाँ, घर से निकले हैं सुबह, तन मन धन सब है तैयार, खाली हाथ न लौटेंगे, तय करके आए इस बार। अंदर एक सिपाही है जिसने ली अंगड़ाई है, अब तक
are the little ones who are going to bring about the revolution.
Are there bad sanskars in this world? Come, let me show you.
In walk the devils in our mind, the devils of greed, the devils of jealousy, envy, hatred. The bad sanskars are the devils in the mind, through the mind into the society. And we keep fighting. Our intellect gets blinded, and we keep fighting. Makes us do many things that we shouldn't be doing. The devils and scars. Here, torturing us day and night, playing with us, trying to master us, rule us. The devils of the mind. The society then.
Oh my God, what kind of children were they? Noisy and rowdy. Ha, no manners at all. Now you understood? Manners are shown by children who are nurtured in the environment of sanskars. Now let's look them. Look there.
Yes, so welcome little angels on stage.
Invoke the angels, the saviors of our mind, the saviors of our society. The truth finally prevails, it's truth over evil. The little angels, the good sanskars in our mind. Uplifting us, taking care of us.
So let's enjoy angel dance one more time. Parents, keep clapping.
So that was from angels, and back to the host.
How nice, how helpful, how good the children are. All because they are good sanskars. Who are the children who get good sanskars? The first thing is small babies should have the environment where they are happy.
Happy, let's welcome the PG children with happy gummy bears coming in. Join in the fun with gummy bears.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jolly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. environment. How?
Beautiful environment. How?
When parents behave well, do good things, respect elders, talk politely, children automatically imbibe that and start behaving that way. After home comes school.
Yes, and ready to go to Tree House High School.
Sound please. Now our tiny toddlers are ready for the school. A beautiful song written by Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Request the PT parents to come and pick up the PT children from outside the green room. Thank you.
Okay, let me take you to Lukkad Wale Nana Ji. Lukkad Wale.
Walking in, the Nukkad Wale Nana Ji is on stage. Put your hands together.
सूरज ढलता जाए, चंदा उगता जाए,
What are they doing, Nana ji? They are getting ready to join Indian Army.
Our NDA cadets getting ready.
Indian Army? You mean the soldiers who protect the country? Yes, beta. Nana ji, who give them good sanskars, who care for their country? मैं बोलूं? Now I know it. बोलो बेटा. Their sanskars come from their homes as well as school. Good, very good. ये लोग खुद भी खुश रहते हैं और देश को भी खुश रखते हैं.
Come on! Bale bale! Let's have it for our rejoicing NDA cadets. Come on, parents!
ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड. सुनसान रात अब ऐसी रात, रख दिल पे हाथ, हम साथ साथ बोल क्या करे.
back to the host.
Nana ji, can I join army now? No बेटा, अभी तुम बहुत छोटे हो. पहले तुम अच्छे बच्चे बनो, फिर बड़े होकर अच्छे इंसान बनो. And then you can join Indian Army.
From Good Child.
Please, from all religious books like Gita, the story of Lord Krishna. We also have Guru Granth Sahib, Sanskrit religion. People is a story. See, you know what? The story in music, you know what? This says one. My daddy says morning because पे और भगवान बहुत खुश होते जाते हैं. इसी तरह बाइबल एंड कुरान की तरह से अच्छे संस्कार मिलते हैं.
यस, इसी तरह सारी कहानियों से हमें अच्छे संस्कार मिलते हैं.
One God, many forms.
रख हिम्मत बस चल दे, तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के है निशान. तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, 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 तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा. डाल तू नजर हालातों से हार कर कहाँ चला रे, हाथ की लकीर को मोड़ता मरोड़ता है हासिला रे. खुद तेरे ख्वाबों के रंग में तू अपने जहां को भी रंग दे, कि चलता हूँ मैं तेरे संग में. हो शाम भी तो क्या जब होगा अंधेरा, तब पाएगा दर मेरा, उस दर पे फिर होगी तेरी सुबह. तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा. Na 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 na
manifestations of the divine, our little toddlers.
Do you know our religion, our customs also impart good sanskars? Have you heard of Panchtantra tales? No? How? You have not heard of Panchtantra tales? No? Your mother never tells you these stories? अपनी मम्मी को बोलो तुम्हें रोज ये कहानियाँ सुनाए. And you must also read these stories yourself. अच्छा, लायन और रैबिट की स्टोरी सुनी है? यस, सुनी है. क्रो एंड स्नेक की कहानी सुनी है. कौवे और सांप की कहानी सुनी है. बुद्धू, वही तो पंचतंत्र टेल्स हैं. आओ मैं तुम्हें बताऊं पंचतंत्र टेल्स क्यों लिखी गई. एक राजा था.
महाराजाधिराज पधार रहे हैं.
और एक रानी. उनके 3 बेटे थे. राजकुमार, जानते हो वो कुछ काम नहीं करते थे, कुछ पढ़ते भी नहीं थे. वो ट्री हाउस में नहीं पढ़ते थे. नहीं, तब ट्री हाउस कहाँ था? फिर क्या हुआ? एक साधु महाराज ने उनके लिए पंचतंत्र टेल्स बनाई और उन्हें मॉरल वैल्यूज दी. फिर वो अच्छे बच्चे बन गए.
And with values in place, it's all about celebration. Happy smiley baby, celebrating our good sanskars.
झूले सितारों की नोक नोक हाथों को खींच के हम चाहे तो चांद रख ले टिफिन में, मन में जो सोच ले हम. झूले सितारों की नोक नोक हाथों को खींच के हम चाहे तो चांद रख ले टिफिन में, मन में जो सोच ले हम. आया है दूर तक देश अपना, जाएंगे दूर तक हम. देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे, यूं जगमगाएंगे हम. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है.
ये किसने लिखा दीदी?
कल जिन्होंने ये लिखा वो आज ये जानते हैं.
सूरज अपनी मुट्ठी में है, बुलबुला रहा. नया सवेरा रिस रिस के बाहर है आ रहा. कलमों से कहती है मंजिल मुझे उठा लो. वक्त तुम्हारा है, किस्मत को गले लगा लो. अभी तो सबको धुन पर अपनी देखो नचाएंगे हम. देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे, यूं जगमगाएंगे हम. बीते कल से हमको सीख
आगे जा रहे हैं, मगर क्या हम सब आगे जा रहे हैं या सिर्फ कुछ लोग?
बहुत सही सवाल पूछा आपने।
अगर तुम ही मुस्काओ तो मुस्कान नहीं है, सबको पंख न मिल पाए तो उड़ान नहीं है, बस मेरे आंगन आए ऐसी धूप न चाहिए, बस मेरी छतरी पर गाए ऐसी बारिश ना चाहिए, जिस पर सबके रंग हो वो तस्वीर बनाएंगे हम, देखेंगे दुनिया जलवे हमारे यूं जगमगाएंगे हम। बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल से पल पल सजाना है, बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल से पल पल सजाना है। बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल से पल पल सजाना है, बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल से पल पल सजाना है, बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल से पल पल सजाना है।
In our tree house, we have those very interesting cheeky stories. Cheeky stories? Oh, I love cheeky stories. My teacher tells me they are character building stories. Character building? What is that? Character building is to behave in a manner that your parents feel proud of you. Your teachers feel proud of you. Your country feels proud of you. Now I understand it means to become a good child. Yes. Cheeky stories are there for all of us to become good children.
So here we have a cheeky, a pretty cheeky.
Pretty cheeky, walking down the school, pretty cheeky. She's real cool, pretty cheeky. She's a darling, she's charming too. We all believe you speak the truth. Pretty cheeky, she walks with a smile, pretty cheeky. She's so full of life, pretty cheeky. She makes us happy when skies are gray. You always know, dear, how much we care. Cheeky.
The bus is here to pick up Cheeky.
Cheeky is sleeping.
We are ready to go for the picnic. Where are you, Cheeky? We're late for the picnic.
Cheeky, where are you? Cheeky, we are getting late for the picnic.
Children, Cheeky cannot come for the picnic as she was watching TV late night, and that's why she could not get up early in the morning. You all go and enjoy yourself. Have a good day.
Oh, she will miss the picnic. Oh no, so sad.
All right then, let's leave her. We're gonna miss you, oh dear. Bye 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 bye.
I'm so sorry. Now onwards, I will sleep on time and wake up on time.
Now that's my girl. Pretty Chicky, she's all grown up now. Pretty Chicky, she's being famous now. Pretty Chicky, she's a big star, oh little girl. But don't forget, dear, we always there. Pretty Chicky, she walks with a smile. Pretty Chicky, she's so full of life. Pretty Chicky, she makes us happy when skies are gray. You always know, dear, how much we care. Chicky.
There's more to Cheeky World.
Once more, once more, once more, once more, once more. We want to have more of Cheeky. Okay, okay. Let's have some more Cheeky then.
Cheeky dear, I'm going out, so please take care of your grandma.
Cheeky, can you get me a glass of water?
Oh no! Mama! Mama? Cheeky! I told you to take care of your grandma, but you did not. Look what you have done. That's bad.
I'm sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Mama, don't be sad. I will always listen to you.
Now that's my good girl, my sweetheart.
Celebration moves on.
We all mourn for the first time. Heartbeat and kisses so sweet. Cheeky is just like a moonlight. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah, I-P-I-U. Now that we believe you, you always speak the truth. Cheeky, you're such full of fun. You keep your promise too. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah, I-P-I-U. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah, I-P-I-U. You're the one, you're the only one.
Come on, parents, let us have it for the day.
Have fun. You're the one, you're the only one. You're an artist, you're a cook, you're a star. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah, I-P-I-U. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah,
A shining rock star.
I-P-I-U.
Come on, parents, give this in a louder. Cheer them.
On for the first time. Heartbeat and kisses so sweet. Cheeky is just like a moonlight. I feel Now that we believe you always speak the truth. Cheeky, you're so full of fun. You keep your promise too. IPIU, IPI, IPIU, IPIU, IPI, IPIU. You're the one, you're the only one who shares and care and have fun. You're the one, you're the only one. You're an artist, you're a cook, you're a star. IPIU, IPI, IPIU, IPIU, IPI, IPIU.
Did you realize how fortunate are you to be in a good school? We surely are going to have good sanskar. Yes, let us celebrate. Yay!
Celebrations on with the Woo song.
So
Little
now
toddler.
the beautiful song performance by the little ones.
Everybody dance now, come and clap your hands now, let us sing along like oh oh. Everybody jump now, DJ pump it up now, all my people big idiot. I will become. Can you guess? No? Okay, I will tell you. I will become a choreographer. What will you become? Why not? I will open a chain of schools and impart good sanskars to thousands and thousands of children. My good children, I'm so proud of you all. We have no doubts that the sanskars which we have passed on to you will surely make you good human beings and great leaders in future. I congratulate your parents and your school.
So enjoy the finale, audience. Put your hands together up in the air for the grand finale. All the children on stage. With the teachers.
मुझ में कहीं
For the Rubaru effect.
मैं चल गया सूरज को मैं निकल गया
Rubaru Roshni. Come on, parents. You can also enjoy. Put your hands in the air. A beautiful dance drama.
जो गुमशुदा सा ख्वाब था वो मिल गया वो खिल गया वो लोहा था पिघल गया खिंचा खिंचा
My gratitude to all the teachers and the center heads who worked hard to put this show together. And of course, our little rock stars who performed on stage only for you, audience. Last but not the least, thank you for being such a wonderful audience, patient and applauding. Thank you so much. Please need a standing ovation, parents. Don't look for perfect word. Stand and put your hands in the air. Baby, give me that.
नई डगर नया सफर मेरा जो बन सके तो हम सफर मेरा नजर मिला जरा दुआ छटा खुदा
Come on, parents, last time. Put your hands together.
मेरा जो बन सके तो हम सफर मेरा नजर मिला जरा
Thank you, parents. Please be seated. We would be dispersing the children from the stage. Please sit down. Please take your seats as we settle the kids behind the curtain. So, how was the performance, audience? So, 3 cheers for my little ones and my staff member. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much.